My friend's birthday. She
Yeah?
turned 18.
So, how old is she?
18.
18. Just turning then.
Yep.
First time in a skydive?
Yeah.
So what made you decide you want to do a skydive for the birthday?
Well, a couple other friends had done it a while back, and so we decided to come today and do it.
Do it too.
Uh-huh.
All right. Well, next thing that's going to happen is we're going to go out to the airplane. We're going to take you up to about 13,500 feet and toss you out the door. Got anything to say about that?
I'm way excited, and I can't wait.
All
I'm
right.
way excited.
Next time we see you, you'll be on your way out to the airplane.
Sweet.
Woohoo! Excellent.
Are you like a rock star?
Like a rock star.
That was so nice.
So, what did you think of
I
that?
loved it. It was so cool.
What was your favorite part of the skydive?
The whole thing. Everything.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
All of it.
Everything. But
I
my
think she
ears
liked.
kind of hurt.
I think she liked the canopy ride. She was hooting and hollering like a rock
Come
star.
on, Josie, get in here.
How was it? That was sweet. Good.
Happy birthday thing?
Yeah.
Best birthday ever. Think you guys are gonna come back and try this again?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, Josie, Mackenzie, thank you so much for coming and spending your 18th birthday and first skydive with us at Skydive Utah. Woo! Big high five to your tandem master Mike there as well. He did great. Woo! Awesome. Woohoo!